be locked in a cell, never revealing no secret.
Me gusta.
Let's do some cooking.
What the hell? What is that, Mom? Ma, you see this?
No. Holy shit!
What
What
is-
the hell is that?
What is happening? You guys see this? Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? What is that? What is that? You guys see that?
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me.
Let's do some cooking.
The best way to roast your potatoes. Use small potatoes and boil until fork tender. Drain off the water and put them in a big bowl. We're gonna start with a generous amount of olive oil. You're gonna do salt, pepper. We're gonna go onion powder, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, fresh basil, fresh thyme. Get that all mixed together and dump it out on a lined baking sheet. Spread them out, give them a little room on every side. and then use a glass to smash them about a ½ inch thick, and then throw them in a 425 degree oven for about 30 minutes, but you're gonna wanna flip them halfway through. And you're gonna end up with a soft interior, crispy exterior, the best roasted potatoes you've ever had.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back.
Zombie apocalypse.